Good morning to you all, and this is class 6th. I am your teacher, Mrs. Richa Mishra, and we are going to start with the new chapter, Devu and Mika. So this is a very interesting chapter, students. This is a chapter of 22nd century, which says that everything which we are doing on our own right now will be done by the robots. And robots are also going to help us in the various fields, be it a domestic worker or professionally, everything. The robot is going to enter in our world. Excuse me. So, let's begin with your chapter. And this says, we cannot imagine a life without technology in the modern world. It plays a very important role in our lives. How wonderful it would be if a robot could do your homework. Or would it? Read on to find out if it is possible. Now, see, the moment you get up in the morning, whether you switch on the fan or you switch on the geyser or you switch on the heater, whatever, every machine in itself is containing the technology, right? So you just cannot live without the technology. It could be anything, right? So now we are going to see a very interesting play, which is about a robot who is going to help in various sections. Okay, so characters, Devu, a 12-year-old boy, excuse me, Papa, Devu's father, Mika, the family robot. Scene 1, Devu is sitting in a chair in his room. He is alone when the curtain rises. Papa, Devu. This is the usual behavior. Whenever the parents call you, you are not bothered to say yes, mummy or papa. You just say, Papa walks in. Now see, this is a play. So when we study about the play, there will be a talk about the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 and so on, right? Character means how many people are going to interact in this particular play, okay? Papa, Devu, I have been calling you. Why didn't you answer? पापा देबू से कह रहे हैं कि मैं आपको आवाज दे रहा हूं, आप क्यों नहीं आंसर कर रहे हो? देबू, पापा, I want to go out and play. The usual stuff that Debu wants to go out and play. Papa, what's stopping you? Now father asks, why are you not going out then? If you want to go out and play, then you should be going out and play. Debu, I have got an history assignment to do. Will you help me finish my homework, Papa? Papa, certainly not. Debu is having a history assignment to do and he is asking whether the Papa is going to help him with his homework or not, and Papa refuses. Debu, please, Papa. Debu, I came to introduce you to our new robot helper. Debu, Papa, Mika. Now, look, Papa wants to introduce a new robot, which is a helper, which is going to help them in their daily core of their household. And Mika is that robot. A brand new robot walks in. Debu sits up and looks at it with interest. Papa, this is Mika. It is programmed to help us. Now you can see this picture. This is Mika, this is Debu, and this is Papa. So you can see that 3 of them are having dialogue with each other, right? Debu, Mika, where is my pen? I have to use this ancient instrument to do my assignment. So pen is being called an ancient instrument. That is why I assume that this play depicts the scenario of 22nd century, right? Because pen is known to be pen is being called ancient instrument. Ancient instrument का मतलब है कि जो instrument या device हमने पास्ट में कभी किसी जमाने में यूज किया था, ठीक है। सो देबू से मीका वेयर इज माई पेन, and Debu is just testing Mika whether the Mika is able to answer the things or not. Okay, Mika, it is in your left hand, Debu. Now Mika is a very attentive robot, so he said it is in your left hand. Papa, haha, have fun with Mika. Debu, I have to go out now. Papa leaves the room. Debu bends over a notebook. There is a silence as he reads. Now Papa has left the stage and now Debu is trying to do his homework. Okay. So when you are not interested in something and you have to do it, then you do it very painfully, right? It gives you a lots and lots of pain to do it, especially the homework. So now Debu is in the same situation. He doesn't like to do the homework. He likes to play, but he has to do the homework because he has to attend the school next day, and the teacher is going to ask about the homework, definitely. Debu, horse, what on the earth is a horse? Now Debu is seeing the picture of the horse, I presume, and he's saying, what is this horse? Ye horse kya hota hai? Mika, it is a noun. The word refers to an animal which was used in the 12th century to pull carts. People also rode it. The animal is now extinct. Now Mika replies that ये एक noun है और ये animal के लिए यूज किया जाता है ये word horse, और ये 20th century में कार्ट्स को पुल करने के लिए भी यूज किया जाता था। घोड़ा गाड़ी, आपने तांगा या घोड़ा गाड़ी देखी हुई होगी या आपने उसमें राइड भी ली होगी। So that was it, and this animal is now extinct, यानी ये अब नहीं पाया जाता। There are many more animals which have been extinct from our earth. Can you name any of them? I'm going to ask this question. So just write down the answer and I'm going to ask this. Okay. Debu, wow. Papa said you were programmed to help us, but I didn't imagine that you could answer my question. So now Debu is saying to Mika that Papa said that you are here for the household work. आपको यहाँ पर घर के काम के लिए लाया गया है, पर मुझे नहीं पता था कि आप मेरे क्वेश्चंस के भी आंसर दे सकते हो। मीका, आई एम प्रोग्राम टू आंसर अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। मीका कहता है कि मेरे को ऐसा प्रोग्राम किया गया है जिसमें मैं बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दे सकता हूँ। देबू, रियली? कैन यू आंसर क्वेश्चंस ऑन हिस्ट्री? देबू को अब लगता है कि मीका को टेस्ट किया जाए, तो वो पूछ रहा है कि तुम मेरे हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चंस का भी आंसर दे सकते हो। Mika, I can answer anything you are likely to ask. I have a large number of answers. Ask me anything you like, anything at all. Now Mika is sort of giving a challenge that I can answer many questions. And now he's not very sure what Debu is up to and what he's going to ask. But he's saying that, okay, I can answer many questions. Debu, what is the capital of Peru? Now Debu is testing Mika. Okay. So he is asking what is the capital of Peru? Mika, Lima. Mika gives the answer. Debu, which is the longest river? Mika, the Nile in Africa. It is 6,853 kilometers. Debu, Mika, don't you want to ask me any more question? Debu, I wish I could, but I have homework to do. Okay. So this was the short conversation which Mika and Debu were having, and Debu tested the knowledge of Mika, the robot, and he asked few of the questions like what is the capital of Peru, which is the longest river, and when he got the right answers, so he just ignored the Mika and he wants to get back to his homework. And Mika is silently standing over there, analyzing, observing. Then Mika stands silent. Debu, all my friends are out playing and what am I doing? Now Debu is very frustrated that all the friends are playing outside and what am I doing here? मतलब सब तो फ्रेंड्स बाहर खेलो और मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के इस होमवर्क को कर रहा हूँ. Mika, you are sitting there in your room from time to time. You look up and sigh angrily. Then you now the moment Debu is asking something, Mika को ऐसा लगता है कि उसको हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर करना चाहिए बिकॉज देबू इज टेस्टिंग हिम. सो मीका क्या कर रहा है? मीका बोलता है कि ओके तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम यहाँ पर बैठो अपने कमरे के अंदर में और तुम बीच बीच में ऊपर देखते हो अपनी नोटबुक से और गुस्से में कुछ ना कुछ आवाजें निकालते हो. और उसके बाद देबू ओके इनफ इनफ स्टॉप. देबू उसको बीच में ही काट देता है, बोलता है ओके इनफ stop. He doesn't meant literally ki what he is doing. He just wanted to go out and play. Debu, so you think you are smart, don't you? Now he's asking to Mika that you think you are smart. Mika, of course, I am programmed to answer many questions. You can ask me anything you like. I can answer it. Mika is also showing his smartness and saying, I am able to answer many questions. Ask me anything. Debu, imitating Mika. I'm programmed to answer many questions. I can. Imitating यानी नकल करना. Okay? So देबू जो है मीका की नकल करता है. जो उसने लास्ट लाइन्स बार बार बोली है वो उसी की नकल करके बोलता है I'm programmed to answer many questions. I can. देबू sits like a statue. A smile dawning on his face. देबू जो है वो एक स्टैचू की तरह बैठ जाता है और एक हल्की सी स्माइल उसके चेहरे पे आती है. कैन यू रियली आंसर क्वेश्चंस? देबू कहता है क्या तुम वाकई सारे आंसर कर सकते हो क्वेश्चंस को? मीका, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम प्रोग्राम्ड टू. मीका दोबारा वही लाइन रिपीट करता है आई एम प्रोग्राम्ड टू आंसर मेनी क्वेश्चंस, है ना. तो वो बार बार क्योंकि ये लाइन उसके मशीन के अंदर डाली गई है कि जब भी आपसे कोई पूछे कि क्या आप क्वेश्चन आंसर कर सकते हो तो आपको ये ही लाइन यूज करनी है. तो इसलिए वो बार बार उसी लाइन को रिपीट कर रहा है. देबू, ऑल राइट, I have this homework to complete. It's on history. It's about horses. I have to use a pen from the past and write in a notebook. Another thing from the past. So much history for one assignment. Do you think, will you be able to do it? Okay. Now Debu is giving instruction, is asking for the help from Mika. He is saying, all right, there is a homework which has to be completed by me. It is the homework of history. It's about horses. And I have to write with the pen on my notebook, in a notebook. Now see, this is I'm talking about this play that this is, I presume, this is my assumption that it could be from the 22nd century because again and again the characters are saying pen is an ancient instrument. In the same way, again Debu is saying that I have to write in a notebook, which is again a very ancient thing from the past. So much history for one assignment. Do you think, will you be able to do it? Now he is asking for the help of Mika. Now, students, you have to be aware that having said that these things are from past, you know that these days we are using book as well as many other things for as a study material like tablets and laptops, so on and so forth. Okay, so this was the today's explanation. Now I would like to take up your queries if you are having any.